Good morning, children. Hope you are doing good by God's grace. I am among those who think that science has great beauty. I am among those who think that science has great beauty. What about you? You think that science is of great beauty? If so, let's enjoy today's lesson. Let's have a quick recap of what we learned last class. We learned about what is solid, what is liquid, what is gas, and what is diffusion. I hope you are clear with that. Moving on to today's lesson, we are going to learn about pure substances and impure substances. Matter is divided into two parts. First one is pure substances. Second one is impure substances. Yes, let's have this chart. Matter divided into two parts. First one is pure substances. Second one is impure or mixed substances. Under pure substances, we have elements and components. Under impure or mixed substances, we have homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. Now we will study about each substance into details. First, what is a pure substance? You might have come across about the word pure. Correct? Purity is our guarantee. These symbol, these words you might have heard in the gold shop, okay, or some of the brand things might tell you purity is a guarantee. Suppose your parents or you have gone to purchase ghee. Have you seen this word pure ghee? What do you mean by this pure ghee? For a person, a pure ghee is nothing but the ghee does not have any added substances or added colors. So it is of the purest form. So we think that ghee is pure. So nothing is added into the ghee. That is, any substances without adulteration is pure for a human being. But when we take science, what is this pure substance called? Pure substance is made up of one type element. Okay? Only one type element is made up of is called pure substances. Let's have a quick look up on the example. Okay? Na. What is this Na called? Sodium. Sodium, the symbol for sodium is Na. Okay? This is an element. Okay? It is a pure substance. Let us look into another example. Oxygen. Okay? The symbol for oxygen is O2. Okay? So, O2, one oxygen, another oxygen together is called O2. It is made up of one element and it is called as a pure substances. Okay? And any substances which made up of only one element is called as a pure substances. Okay? Then we saw that in the table, we saw that pure substance is divided into two parts. One is the element, another one is the component. So what is an element here? An element, substances that cannot be broken down into simpler form. Let's have an example of the element. Again, sodium. Sodium is a substance which cannot be broken into its subdivision. Na is one part, one element. That element cannot be divided into subparts. So hence it is called as a element. We can also look into an example, magnesium. That is also one element that cannot be further divided into sub-elements. So such type of elements are called as elements. Okay. Then we'll move on to component. What is a component? The substances made by chemical combinations of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Now let's have a look into an example. NH3. Okay. Here NH3 is nothing but ammonia. How is ammonia formed? Nitrogen plus hydrogen. So nitrogen is an element and hydrogen is an element. When they combine together, they form a compound. Okay. Now NH3, that is, it is of a fixed ratio by mass. So 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen together only they'll form a compound called ammonia here. And 1 nitrogen and 2 hydrogen cannot be formed as an ammonia. So they have a fixed ratio there so that they will form a compound. So you understand? Substances made up of, that is, 2 or more elements, when they combine together with a fixed ratio, it is called as a compounds. Okay. Now look into this. What is this picture? It is a mixture. How many of you love mixture? Yes, it is very tasty. It is mixed with more ingredients. Can you just look into the picture and tell me the ingredients used in this mixture? See, there is cashew over here. There is groundnut. There are curry leaves. There are home podi over here. There are kara saves over here. So a mixture is not only one ingredient. A mixture is mixture of 4 or 5 ingredients. Then only we call it as mixture. So the next matter is mixture. Mixture or improper substances. See here, now the definition for mixture. A mixture is a improper substances and combine more than one kind of particles. As they combine more than one ingredients we saw in that mixture snacks, it tells you that it is an impure substances and combines more than one particles is called as a mixture. The mixture is divided into 2 parts. One is homogeneous, another one is heterogeneous. Now let's go and look into each mixture. What is an homogeneous mixture? Okay, let's have a look of this example. I take a glass of water and I add 2 spoons of sugar or 3 or 1 spoon of sugar. What will happen if I mix the sugar into this water? It gets dissolved. Can I split the water and the sugar? No. They are all mixed together into one solution. Hence, it is called as a homogeneous mixture. Homo means it is same. Okay. When I mix the water and the sugar, they both becomes one. Okay. Hence, it is called homogeneous mixture. Now, Second one is heterogeneous mixture. Let us look into an example. Okay. In this example, can you see in this jar of water, I am just adding sand. Okay, what will happen if I add sand into a beaker or jar or tumbler of water? What will happen? Will the sand get dissolved in the water? Think. No. The sand will be settled down. Can you see here? The sand will be settled down and the water will remain as it is. Okay. The water and the sand will not mix together. The sand will be settled down under the water. Okay. This is called as heterogeneous. Okay. In homogeneous, everything mixed together, but in heterogeneous, it will not mix together. Okay. Hetero means it is different. Homo means it is same. Now, let's go into and see few examples and study the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now, I have just shown you a picture of a milkshake. Is milkshake a homogeneous or heterogeneous? Milk. It is a mixture of milk and a chocolate over here. They all mix together. So, mixing together, what it is called as a homogeneous. Homo. Okay? Good. The next example. Water. Water is what? Is it homo or hetero? No, it is a purest form. So, it is called as a pure substance. Okay? Good. Next one. Fruit salad. Is it a homogeneous or heterogeneous? Is it mixed together? You're not able to find it? See, can you find the fruits? You can find strawberry, oranges, grapes, kiwi, apple. Can we separate these fruits which are together? If yes, then what it is? It is hetero. Okay. If we are able to separate it, then it is called as a hetero. Good children. Friends, let's have a quick recap of what we learned today. We learned about pure substances and impure substances. Pure substance is a substance which is made up of one type of element. Okay, it is divided into two types, that is elements and components. And the impure substances or mixed substances is made up of more than one kind of particles. We learnt about heterogeneous and homogeneous there. We see you next class. Bye. Understood today's class, children. Along with this video lesson, we have a Kahoot. Please play the Kahoot by typing your admission number, your correct admission number, and have fun. Have a great day.